as our 4 boys graduated from the use of their simple swing set, we bought them a prefabricated Playhouse, but that soon proved to not be able to stand up to the rigors of growing boys. So we made the decision, due to the fact that we had a lot of lumber that had been salvaged from our home after the house fire, we decided to make a massive, super strong playhouse that all 4 boys could enjoy. We built it up off the ground with 4x4 posts that are set in concrete, and we used 2x6, I believe they were some of our ceiling joists, to build the frame of the floor. And then we covered that with the plywood, and then began building the walls out of 2x4s. It is very solid, very sturdy, just what 4 rambunctious boys need. Of course, we did all this in our spare time, if that is such a thing. We debated on several different styles for this ramp, and finally we decided on basically a solid ramp, and then we later added some 2x4s to make it more like a climbing ramp. We painted everything with various colors of browns and greens in an exterior spray paint, and we kind of did a camouflage pattern on it all. The swing set is very sturdy. Even the adults can swing on it and it doesn't even move. It turned out really, really nice, and the kids just love it. We used some of our leaves and branches from our own trees to create kind of a camouflage pattern on it, and I think it turned out really, really neat. It was a lot of fun doing that too. See, look at that, it blends right in. You can't even see it there. It's just really, really nice there in our front yard, and with the big trees around it, it's nice and shady most of the time, and it's just a good place for the kids to play. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that. That's something we're pretty proud of. I think it turned out really well. And if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a like and maybe share it, and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.